In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to filter Microsoft Forms responses efficiently. This invaluable skill will make managing and analyzing your collected data a breeze, whether you're gauging customer satisfaction, gathering feedback, or conducting any form of research. To begin, ensure that you have a stable internet connection. Once you're set, navigate to Microsoft Forms. If you're not automatically logged in, the site will prompt you to sign in. Click on the shiny Sign In button and you'll be led to a familiar Microsoft login page. Here you'd need to enter your email address associated with your Microsoft account. Remember, this could be your personal, business or educational account, depending on the nature of the forms you're working with. After typing your email, click Next to proceed. You'll be asked for your password next. Ensure you enter the password correctly to avoid unnecessary hitches in your login process. Hit Next again, and with these steps you've now gained access to the Microsoft Forms ecosystem. At this point you should find yourself looking at the Forms dashboard, a neat collection of all your active, draft and closed forms. Identify and select the form for which you wish to filter responses. Once selected, you'll notice an option to View Responses. Go ahead and click on View Responses. This action will take you to the detailed response section of your selected form. What's exciting here is that Microsoft Forms allows you to analyze these responses directly within the platform or export them for more detailed analysis. For the latter, you'll find an option to download the responses as an Excel file. Click on the Excel icon and the file should download automatically to your device. Once the download is complete, open the Excel file. This file is a treasure trove of raw data waiting for your analytical eye. To begin filtering through these responses, look towards the ribbon at the top of the Excel window and click on Data. Immediately a suite of options unfolds. Among them is the Filter button, a powerful tool that enables you to sift through the data effortlessly. By clicking Filter, you enable drop-down arrows on each column representing a specific question from your form. Clicking on any of these arrows brings up filtering options. You can filter responses based on text, number ranges, dates, or even specific multiple choice answers. This functionality is particularly handy when you want to isolate specific criteria, say all respondents who selected a particular option on a multiple choice question. What's wonderful about Excel's filter feature is its flexibility. You can apply multiple filters across different questions to pinpoint very particular respondent segments. Perhaps you're looking for feedback from those in a specific age group who also gave a particular rating to your service. With a few clicks, filtering makes this data easily accessible. However, remember, as you dive into this data analysis journey, it's important to periodically review all active filters. Excel allows you to clear a single filter or all filters to reset your view and start a fresh analysis. This ensures that no residual filters skew your future analysis as you play around with different data exploration avenues. Through these steps, we've covered how to navigate from logging into Microsoft Forms, selecting a specific form, viewing the responses, exporting them into Excel, and finally applying filters to analyze the data deeply. Each step unlocks more insights from the raw data, helping you make informed decisions or gain the clarity needed for your specific context. Filtering Microsoft Forms responses in Excel isn't just about isolating data points, it's about uncovering the story behind your data. It illuminates patterns, trends and feedback in a manageable and interpretable form. So dive in, explore and let the data guide your next steps with confidence. Remember, the goal here is not just to collect responses but to understand them. With the methodical approach we've discussed today, you're well on your way to turning raw data into actionable insights. Happy analyzing, and until next time, keep exploring the capabilities that Microsoft Forms and Excel have to offer in making your data work for you.